Hey everyone, Gil here at Camp Patton Family Compound. Time for an indoor garden update. It's been a while since I've gone over stuff with you. Alright, so yesterday I went and planted the cucumbers. So now I got the cantaloupe here, and you can see they're starting to blossom out. And I was going to plant them this morning, but it's raining right now, so that freshly rototilled area is turning into mud. So I'll probably plant it, give it until possibly tomorrow, if it depends how much it rains, and maybe Tuesday. And the onions are gonna have to go in. I was out there doing a little weeding in the IBC totes yesterday. I'm gonna go out and do some more today and get it prepped for that. That I should be able to plant this afternoon if it doesn't come down too hard in the rain. All right, so let's move around to this side here. The basil is off the hook. I mean, not only they got huge leaves, it's growing tall. Rainbow chard's kind of holding its own there. And the one cucumber I'm leaving indoors is right there. And so, looking around what I got back in here, let's see if I can move it down and get a good view of it here. We got some nearly ripe tomatoes in there going. In fact, yeah, some of those are probably really ripe, and I need to pull them out there, especially on the side. And got up over here, see all the those Roma tomatoes there? I got a boatload there. Got more up over here. And so I'm just waiting for the blossoms to open up a little bit more so I can pollinate the other ones. Got a bunch more tomatoes down over here on this side here. So, and come around over here and actually let's see how, if I get this right. Is this one? How ripe is that one? It's not coming off yet. Check that one back on the inside here. Sometimes I can just touch it. Yep. That one I just touched it and it came off. Let's check some down in here. Says how ripe is that? That one still needs on. That one can go. That one's going to go a couple more days. So I got one of them that I just touched it and it popped off in my hand. So that one's ripe. And of course I had to take out that one tomato. It was just starting to get all the leaves were getting that funky blight curl, whatever, on it. So I may wind up after I pull all these carrots here for the grandsons, when they start coming over and start eating the carrots, I may stick another cucumber down in there and get cucumbers growing inside here. And I'll just put up some bars across here so I can just train it right on up this side here. The lettuce is going bonkers. I need to get in there and I need to harvest lettuce, make salad, and some of it I'm probably just going to go ahead and thin it out and send it with the grandsons over for the rabbits. And more onions I got to get in. They're getting really long here. I'm going to definitely need to probably need to give some of these a little haircut here before I plant them outside. These carrots are doing great too. I've already given a couple to my grandsons. They thought it was absolutely fabulous. Grandpa's growing carrots for us. And so, yeah. Anyways, yeah, the grandkids are actually loving it. Now, interesting is thing here, the carrots I planted here with this tomato are not doing nearly as well as those carrots over there that were planted with the other tomato. So I'm not sure what the problem is. They were getting the same amount of water, it's the same soil. I mixed both those containers at the exact same time. So I'm just not sure what's going on. Anyways, these carrots are not doing quite as well, and they're getting, I don't know what. So I really don't. I find it hard to believe that from that book, tomatoes love carrots. Well, tomatoes may love carrots, but carrots don't love tomatoes. So, anyways, that's what's going on. And I may be getting a blossom here for the cucumber here in a minute. Alrighty, folks, so that's what I've got so far here for my indoor garden experiment. The Roma tomatoes are doing good. Everything here is doing really good here. I could probably, if I had room and was willing to do it, put one of those cantaloupe in one of these big tubs down here and just let it grow around on the floor, but not this year. I may try something like that this fall just to see how it does. Alrighty, folks, remember, you can, with the way food prices are going, you need to plant a garden, and you can plant one indoors. Here's proof. Alright, so take care, add to your preps, food, water, skills, garden,